Enough with the turkey shenanigans already. These beer battered fish tacos are what's for dinner. Let's eat.
Cut your cod fillets in half, then season with garlic, pepper, and a little lime juice. Crack open a beer, pour it in flour and a little paprika, salt and pepper. Heat your oil up to 350. While that's heating up, make a quick slaw with jalapeno, lime juice, sour cream. Place your fish into plain flour and then into your batter. Fry your fish till golden brown and delicious. GBD. Beat your tortilla drums until they're cooked. And then build your taco deliciousness.
I just smashed the taco already. It's gone.